Hey, Todd Pigott here, ZINC Financial. We're one of the largest rehab lenders in California and 10 other neighboring states. So the question came across today, tell me more about ZINC's loan programs, and I would love to tell you about that. We only have three, beginner, intermediate, and pro. And so we loan money to investors who buy distressed properties, REOs, probate, fire, water damage, whatever you might have, with the intent of rehabbing those properties up to conventional standards and selling them on the open market. This is a wonderful industry, folks. Great industry. We do many of these loans on a daily basis, if not weekly or monthly. And so our loan programs are geared for either one of those options, beginner, intermediate, and pro. All of our loan programs do require hard cash from the investor. We loan up to 90% of the purchase price, not to exceed 75% of the after repaired value. All of our borrowers are required to have intermediate or excellent credit, and they must have some cash in the deal, and we prefer they have some exposure to the industry. You don't need to be a professional rehabber, a professional contractor, or a professional real estate broker, but I think it's very important you have some exposure to the industry. So folks, we do a lot of these loans on a daily basis. If you'd like to learn more, please visit zincfinancial.com or give one of our loan officers here at the office a call. They'd love to help you. 559-326-2509. Have yourself an awesome day and welcome to the business.